As varsity football at the University of Buffalo thrives in the modern era, the Greater Buffalo Sports Hall of Fame tonight honors the man who presided over the first golden era of UB football nearly 40 years ago. Dick Offenhammer brought a wealth of playing and coaching experience to the University of Buffalo when he became head football coach in 1955. The former Bennett All-High Gritter starred as a tailback at Colgate University in the 1930s. As a collegian, Offenhammer was noted for the speed which produced two 95-yard touchdown runs. From 1936 through 1946, Dick coached at Kenmore High School, compiling an outstanding record of 50-7. His teams captured Niagara Frontier League championships in 1943, 44, and 45. Following a stint as athletic director and freshman football coach at his alma mater, Colgate, Offenhammer was recruited by then UB president Dr. Clifford C. Furness in 1954 to revive the school's sagging football fortunes. Under Offenhammer, the reborn Bulls immediately began to rise from the depths of small college competition. Within several seasons, the schedule featured Eastern powers such as Harvard, Army, Boston College, Cornell, Holy Cross, and Villanova. The team showed improvement year by year, and the culmination of Offenhammer's leadership and inspiration came in 1958 when the Bulls corralled the Lambert Cup as the top small school football team in the East. That 8-1 campaign was the high-water mark of an 11-year UB coaching career, which produced a record 59 wins, 37 losses, and 5 ties. Dick Offenhammer, forever enshrined in the Greater Buffalo Sports Hall of Fame.